Hello there, friends. I have missed cooking with you. Well, let's spice things up with chicken karahi, a South Asian chicken curry or chicken stew. It is quite flavorful and it is kicked up a notch on the spicy side, but you can adjust that to your preference. We're really gonna amp the flavors up. First, let's start by washing our hands. Okay, a quick look at our ingredients for our chicken karahi. We have 6 chicken leg quarters, which I have removed the skin, washed thoroughly with some lemon juice and lots of water. For the aromatics and vegetables, we start with some garlic, some ginger, onions, red and green Thai chilies, 4 tomatoes, some cilantro or coriander leaves. And for the spices, we have garam masala, chili powder, and this one is non-spicy. So it's like paprika, really. And then we also have cayenne pepper. We will also be needing some crushed black pepper, salt to taste. We also have plain yogurt, heavy cream, and some cooking olive oil. Let's cook, friends. All right, first I'm going to crush my garlic and some ginger. We're going to leave some julienned and some minced. We're going to sprinkle some salt onto our garlic and ginger, and then we're going to turn it into a paste. Coarsely crushed, we'll set that aside and start slicing some onions. Next, we're prepping our chilies by cutting them on the bias. They are small enough, so just one slice like so on the bias will be sufficient, okay? And then we're also going to cut up our tomatoes. We're going to chop them up. I like to remove the seeds. Next, we're going to chop our cilantro. Give it a rough chop, and that should be sufficient. And just like so, we are done prepping. Have your heat on medium-high, and into your wok, you're going to add your oil. About 4 tablespoons of oil. We're going to season the oil with some salt. And just before the oil comes to a sizzle, throw in some whole Thai chilies. And that's going to perfume the oil. One more item to perfume the oil would be some of these julienned ginger. Okay, and now we're going to throw in our chicken. You want to coat the chicken with the oil, the seasoned oil. Next, we're adding our chili powder, then our cayenne powder, and garam masala. And you want to stir to coat all of the chicken. Now that our chicken is seared partly, we're going to add some more salt to it, of course to taste. Give it another stir, and then we'll be throwing the lid on. After 10 minutes of cooking with the lid on, you're going to go and remove the lid. And now we're going to add our garlic and ginger paste and stir that in. And now we're going to remove the chicken. It's cooked through. But we need to fry our onions. And now it's time to add the onions so we can fry them. And to this layer, you're going to add some crushed black pepper and a little more salt to season. Now we've been frying the onions for about 7 minutes. We're going to add our tomatoes. Fold that in and start returning your chicken pieces. A little bit of water. Turn the heat down to about medium. And start combining Now we add our yogurt and our cream. Fold that in as well, and that just gives it a little more lusciousness. Makes it velvety. And then we're going to add our cilantro at this point. Little more ginger. And a few of the Thai chilies. And then fold that in. A little more ginger to finish. Some cilantro as well. Make it all look nice and pretty. What a fabulous bite, friends. I beckon you all to try this recipe. It's gonna make you absolutely happy. That kick in there from the chilies definitely sneaks up on you, but I'm sure you can handle it. If not, adjust to your preference. I hope you give it a shot. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, please be sure to do so to push this video as far as it can go so other people can see it too. Thanks for watching. It is chop time. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.